What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have SYRS. Today the thing is up around 1.80%. Okay. Coming into the daily chart, I do see this thing actually continuing to be bullish. My yesterday's predictions were bullish because the price was right here, and I was like, okay. So at the back of my head, like I do know that we are in a bearish range, so that's all good. We already understand that. Even from a weekly perspective, we are in a bearish range. But breaking that, does it seem like because we were bullish, like we had this bullish candle, I was like, okay, so we're gonna more like gonna still continue to be bullish and then tap into some supply areas to then deliver to these bearish lows, to these lows exactly. So these lows are around 5.25. So yeah, that's generally about it for the video. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. I'm still pretty bearish. Like the video and goodbye.